Just in time. What's up, folks? Benvenuti sul mio canale. Today we are cracking open Adobe Illustrator 2025 to share a bunch of tricks that will have to say, I can't believe I didn't know this. So stick around, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's have some creative fun together. Let's start with a great time-saving trick. You know when you have a huge number of shapes or elements and need to rotate all of them by the same degree? The first thing that comes to mind is to select all of them and rotate from the corner. But as you already know, that doesn't work. Before spending a lot of time rotating each one individually, try this. First, select all of them. Then go to Object, Transform, and Transform Each. The Transform Each panel appears, and from here, you can arrange various options as, for example, the scale. We are interested in rotation, so move on to rotate and play with the angle wheel. Or directly type the degree you want the object to rotate. If nothing happens, it means that you have to flag the preview. Easier than you thought, right? Let's move on. Another frustrating issue arises when you have to scale down something with a stroke, as you can see in this image. Here's what usually happens. Your first instinct is probably to expand the object and scale it down, but then you lose the original stroke shape. Instead of using this method, select the shapes, go to Transform, and check the boxes for Scale Corners and Scale Stroke and Effects. Now you don't have to worry about the stroke size anymore. It's automatically readjusted, and then you can still modify the stroke weight. Now is a hidden gem in Illustrator that you might not have known about it. Imagine you're working on a color palette for a visual identity project and need a list of the colors codes like the RGB or HEX. Let me guess, until now, you've been opening the color tab, taking a screenshot, or jotting down the codes on the paper before typing them into the text container. And don't do that anymore. Instead, select the colors, open the Swatches panel, and create a new group. Then select the group and click on the settings to choose Create Swatch Info. Voila! You've got your colors with all the codes that you need. When you have an illustration or a shape with a complex structure made up of many points, it can be a long and annoying process to edit. Moreover, most of the time, editing point by point doesn't produce a perfect result, as you can see here. Here's a tip to help you reduce the number of points without altering your illustration. Select the object. Go to Objects, but Simplify. Then click on the Advanced Settings and reduce the number of points. The result is incredible. Now you can easily edit your shape. A new feature has been introduced, and I found it super useful. Suppose you want to move several objects onto a path. Instead of positioning them one by one, as I'm doing right now, you can select all of them, go to the toolbar, and click on Object on Path. Then select the path where you want your shapes to go. It automatically positions them along the path, but that's not all. You can adjust the distance, starting points, rotation, and position of every single object. Let me show you. Okay, just a little more. Okay, I really love it. Before you go, a quick reminder. If you are craving more design hacks and Illustrator insights, hit the subscribe button right now. Join our community of fellow designers and creators who are constantly pushing the envelope of creativity. Thanks for watching, and until our next design escape, stay inspired and stay awesome.